Hello, welcome to this video. My name is Fabio and today I'm going to share with you what exactly is Builderall. Builderall, it's an all-in-one marketing platform. Their vision is to bring an entrepreneur in every home. And so they provide the tools for entrepreneurs, marketers, bring their idea to life and bring their business, whatever product they're promoting, anything you can think of. Here, so I'm going to share with you now the tools that Builderall has inside. And after, I'm going to share with you Builderall 3.0, which is Builderall is moving fast, and what is it that Builderall is bringing to the table. Here's what Builderall has right now: drag and drop website builder, sales funnels builder, hundreds of pre-made templates, full email marketing autoresponder, webinar platform, animation creator, Facebook chatbot apps, iPhone and Android app builder, design studio, presentation builder, floating video creator, full website hosting, Facebook integration apps, online course builder, social proof app, script generator, conversion proof app, SEO page report tool, unlimited subdomains. Now I've just covered a few of the tools that Builderall has. Now Builderall, it's an all-in-one marketing platform, therefore it strives to give everything that the user needs in order to succeed in online with marketing. Now let me go over a few of the things that I think are a game changer when you are a marketer online. First one is drag and drop website builder. So they have this website builder that is so freaking powerful. Actually, they have more than one creator. They have one which is the most famous one, which is the Pixel Perfect. And the Pixel Perfect, by the way, it shows good both on phones and tablets and all the computers. This drag and drop pixel, the good thing about it is that you just drag and drop, and exactly where you put the image or anything, it will stay exactly where you put it. So it's just the way you're building it, it will show exactly how it is. It is amazing. It's for me, it's the best builder out there. There's no other one like this one because of what you can do with it. It's just mind-blowing what you can do with this builder. Now there's other builders like responsive, which is you can put anything there, and then as the browser expands and goes thinner, the image also will go with the flow, right? That's another builder you can also use. Now they also have thousands of templates already done. So you can just pick templates and just use them. So they have a full marketing autoresponder, very powerful autoresponder that you can follow up with your leads and build a list of emails with unlimited quota. And they have their webinar platform, which is amazing for presentations, selling high-ticket products. Sales funnels builder. Now Builderall on sales funnels is like a monster. They absolutely have everything you could ever need to build a sales funnel properly. Now this where it comes, the Builderall 3.0. As I'm making this video, Builderall is gonna launch the version 3.0, which is the version 3.0 of Builderall, and they're coming up with crazy stuff. They already over provide stuff to people. So the 3.0, here's what they're bringing to the table with this launch. New checkout systems. So they already have checkouts where you have credit card, PayPal. So they're bringing a new checkout system where you can have even a credit card in there, you're like for the affiliates, and just a smoother payment, so people, because it's very important to receive the money. So they have more ways to do that and better ways. So they're coming out with e-commerce. So they're going to have e-commerce by Magento inside the platform, which for all the e-commerce people, it's just amazing. They have a magazine builder where you can also build ebooks. Very good. I've tested out. Very powerful. So in Builderall 3.0, they're going to have a director builder. It's really powerful, where you can monetize through Google Ads and just build a directory. They're going to have this thing which is Influence Finder, which is a very powerful tool for marketers, for them to find the right target audience. Now they come up with this thing which is mind-blowing. It's a CRM. CRM it's where you register everything that happens within your business. Now with Builderall 3.0, this is mind-blowing because they have integrated the CRM with all the tools they have. So with the funnel builder, they are integrated there. So every step of the way of the funnel, as what people do, they track everything on the CRM, so they know exactly what people are doing throughout the funnel. They also integrate the CRM with the mailing boss, with their autoresponder, so that as people take action throughout the funnel, the CRM records their actions and whatever they're doing, so that they can send them emails automatically. It's just it's a very integrated way of managing clients and just knowing what's going on, so that you can follow up effectively, working with most of the tools that Builderall has in. Now this is this thing that they will have. They already have it. The Canvas. Now Canvas is it's a game changer for marketers, because what it does is you literally build a funnel. They have pre-made funnels, and what happens is you create the pages, the downsells, the upsells. You connect the autoresponder there, you connect the CRM there, so you just do everything. You create your funnel in that canvas, and then you click export, and then you have all the sites created with all the pages connected to the autoresponder, just everything connected, ready to go. And they're gonna have this new webinar tool, and as you can see, Builderall has all these features that no other platform on the internet has. So it's so you can see it's underpriced. It's actually underpriced, and so Builderall, it's if you're looking to market online, to have your website online, it's a full hosting platform. For myself, I use Builderall. I am an affiliate with Builderall. They have an amazing affiliate system. I've made thousands and thousands of dollars with Builderall. It's such an amazing platform because it offers the marketer, the entrepreneur, what he needs to succeed online, all the tools he needs. So because a marketer needs a lot of tools, right? You need to make a website. This tool does the website. You need to have a sales funnel. You need to have upsells, downsells. You need to have a sequence of follow-up with the email with the autoresponder. They have that. So you want to track. You want to track what your lead is doing throughout the funnel, throughout the website. So they have the CRM system where it tracks everything. You want to split test. You want to split that which page converts better, A or B. Builderall does that. It's so easy to use. Like, you don't need programming skills. You don't need design skills. you just have everything in front of you, so it has the tools that a marketer needs to succeed online. You have the e-commerce with Magento. So with this CRM tool that they have, you can follow up through email, you can follow up through SMS, sending a private message to them through either phone or WhatsApp. So as you can see, they just have everything you need. Builderall, it's a tool where it has a community behind, and all this community is working to make this tool better every day. So it's moving so fast. As you can see here, the logo of Builderall, it's as you can see, the octopus is moving fast. It means it's moving so fast.
Shut up, clock in and load up.
So with this tool, instead of you having to have a hosting, having to have programmers, designers, instead of having to pay for programs like for autoresponders, for CRM tool, for webinars, for chatbots, instead of having to pay for all these tools, Builderall has all of these tools inside, and they do work very, very good. As you can see, it's an amazing tool, and I will leave a link below this video for my affiliate link. If you are interested, it's a 7-day free trial. You can test the tool out for yourself, and then you can go ahead and pay for upgrade and keep it if you want it. If you use my link, I will go ahead and give you, I could give you a videos that I have showing you how the tool works, but that inside of Builderall, they already have all of that, videos on how the tool works. So what I will give you is 2 courses that I have. One which teaches you how to make money online, with attraction marketing, branding yourself, and also my other course shows you how to market in a way that you're not selling but selling at the same time. It's called indirect marketing. So I will give you these 2 courses, and I will also give you a few funnels that I have with Builderall. And with Builderall you can actually import to your account. So if you want to make money promoting Builderall yourself, I have a few funnels that I convert really well. I will also give you those funnels. So once you've signed up under my link, I'll get a notification that you've signed up with me, and then I'll go ahead and contact you and give you all of these courses and these funnels. Alright, that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. Have an amazing day. Believe in yourself. You are capable. I believe in you. Don't forget to please, I'm so growing my YouTube channel. I want to get to my goal, which is 5 million euros with affiliate marketing, and I'm growing my YouTube channel. So please subscribe, as I will be providing you videos every week with high quality videos. As I go, I keep improving and make it better, so I can just provide you the best value that I can. So please go ahead and give it a thumbs up this video. That really helps on the video get seen by more people, and also subscribe so you can get my videos as I do them, and also hit the notification bell so that you can be notified when I have a new video. Thank you very much. A lot of gratitude. Have a blessing day. Believe in yourself. You are awesome. I will see you on the next video. Cheers. Goodbye.